If you want to search songs on the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, what you can do is you can, for example, use circle to search. So we can press and hold our finger on the home button or the navigation bar if you use gestures instead, in order to activate circle to search. And then we can use this button over here. Let me actually reopen it. We can use this button in order to make our phone listen to the background. So if there is like a song being played in the background, or if you play, sing or hum a song, then you should be able to get the title of the track. And in addition to that, what you can also do is you can go to Control Center or Quick Settings. And at the bottom, if we tap on Edit, then in here you should also be able to find the song search option, which we can add to Control Center, and we can just tap on this button instead of using circle to search. Of course, this is exactly the same thing. It just allows us to have a slightly quicker access to this feature. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.